don't believe it, guys. It is raining again. It's throwing it down. It's throwing it down again. And by the way, yes, these are all on the exact same day as each other. It is throwing it down again. It doesn't look like it on camera, but it's throwing it down again. Oh my god. Weirdest weather ever. This is part 6. Let's see if I can. Was that thunder I just heard again? Okay guys, I'm going to open my window. Okay, so there's thunder. Or it could be just strong winds. It's either strong winds or it's thunder again. Clouds are more over towards this way again. There's a few over that side as well, towards this way. It's in both angles this time, guys. Okay, the rain stopped. What is going on? Now it's cloudy again. No wind. If I said this wind is actually... The wind has stopped. It actually was windy at first when I started the video. Now there's no wind. Here comes the rain again. Oh my god. The weather won't make its mind up, will it, guys? I don't know how many parts it's going to go up to. There's so far been part 6, this is. It's starting to come down quicker again. I don't believe it, guys. This is crazy. Probably let it get up to 5 minutes again. My iPad's warning me I'm on low percent, so I better put this down. Get my iPad. Sure. Again, I'm going to push this button that I've got in. My iPad charger. Sorry I had to put the camera down, guys. Hold up. Okay, it stopped again. It's brightening up a little bit. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, it's 5 minutes, so I'm probably gone for 6 minutes because I had to put my iPad down to get the charger. So I'm gonna do another minute. Yeah, the rain stopped, now it's cloudy with no wind. And as I said before, this is part 6. Okay, I'm going to end the video here, now it's 6 minutes long. So that's going to be it for this video, hope you enjoyed, thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video, if there's a part 7. But bye for now guys.